Use ChatGPT 4 for free on Hugging Face. At first number 1, head over to the link given to the description to use ChatGPT 4 on Hugging Face for free. Now enter your question and press the run button. You will get a response from the ChatGPT 4 model. And that's it. That's how easy it is to try out GPT-4 without the ChatGPT Plus subscription. If the response time is longer, you can clone the repository and use your own OpenAI API key by following the below steps. The tool will no longer be free though, as you will need credits to use the API. That said, click on duplicate space to get started. After that, change the visibility to public, and then click on duplicate space. Next, move to the settings page. Scroll down and look for repository secrets here. Now click on new secret. Here, add OpenAI API key in the name field and your OpenAI API key in secret value. You can get your OpenAI API key from the link given in the description. Now, simply click on APP in the top row. Finally, your GPT-4 chatbot will be ready to use without any delay in response. If you want to know more information like this, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the update.